Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of July the 10th through the 16th, 2020. I do shop at Giant, but Stop and Shop and Martin's often have the same deals. And sometimes we piggyback deals like last week. I'm pretty sure at Stop and Shop, I saw people posting on Instagram. Sargento deal was last week, not this week. So just something to keep in mind. I like to give you deal ideas in case you have these deals or you will have these deals next week. The breakdown will be in the description box below. I think that's all I was going to say, so let's go ahead and get started on the deals this week. So the Sargento, really good deal if you have that 75% off printable. I don't think it's available any longer. I think I printed that last week, but it does state on that it has to be the Reserve series. They are $2.50 on sale this week. I bought 4 of them because I had 3 of those 75-cent printables. I did have a 75-cent load to card, so I went ahead and just grabbed 4 of them so I could use all my printables. The printables do double, so it made that $4.75 or $1.18 a piece. And for Sargento cheese, it's really good. I'm actually gonna make a stromboli and put this in that. Maybe I'll do a recipe video for you guys. It is so good, guys, so good. Let's just do this real quick. So the sour cream was $1.99. I had contacted Daisy and they mailed me coupons. So they sent me a 45-cent coupon that doubled. So that made that $1.09. I can always use sour cream, so good thing to have. I was really excited about this deal. We do not really get silk products super cheap, but this ended up turning out really good. And I'm gonna try this maybe for breakfast tomorrow because I already have my coffee ready. But I have high hopes for this. I hope it's delicious. My husband is probably gonna just down it because he loves mocha stuff. So hopefully I get at least 1 glass. Anyway, so maybe I'll do a coupon review on that product. We'll see. So there's a lot of other products included that are like dairy free. They're So Delicious products. Coconut milk, a whole bunch of different things, but it's spend 10, save $3. The almond milks were 2 for $6. Now the unsweetened, this is what I got because I like to get unsweetened almond milk. They were not tagged, so I took a chance hoping they were part of the deal, and they were. I figured they were because everything else was tagged except for that. So really weird though. I had a $1 off 2 load to card coupon that I knew about, and then a 75-cent coupon came off. I have no idea. I didn't even know I had that. So I don't know what that was even from, but it ended up coming off. And then the mocha iced coffee was $4.49, and then I had a $1.50 load to card that came off, which I knew about. So I'm really confused why the 75-cent came off. I'm thankful for it, but I don't know. I don't even know why it came off. So I paid $4.24. or $1.41 a piece, and that is not a bad deal. That's actually cheaper in my area than the Aldi brand price for their almond milk. This yogurt here, I had 2 of them because I had 2 50-cent coupons from Chobani that they had mailed me that double, and they just make your yogurt completely free. I did this in a separate transaction because the coupon does say limit 1, so I don't ever test it to see if it'll work twice. Not twice, not scan the same coupon twice. I had 2 of them, so just so you're clear. The Tyson Chicken, it's on sale for $4.99. Again, this was not tagged. I scanned it though with the little price checker thing, and it came up at $4.99, so that's going to be our dinner tomorrow. Oh, and in case you watch my other couponing videos, I don't know when I'm going to get to coupon tomorrow, so I might have a video up tomorrow evening or Monday morning. It just depends. Okay, last 2 deals here. The old El Paso, excuse me, they are 4 for $4. You have to buy 4. The taco kits are included as well as the refried beans. I went ahead and got 3 of the taco kits because I had a 50-cent load to card. You get back 50 cents on Saving Star, and then I had 2 50-cent off of 1 taco kit printables that doubled. Well, my load to card for the taco shell didn't work, so I don't know why that happened, but anyway, I paid $1.50 or 38 cents a piece Now with these tacos, we don't even eat hard taco shells, but I'll actually turn the hard taco shells into tostadas, which I have a video about. I can link that down below if you want. And then we just use the taco shells for all the tacos we eat and the soft ones. And then you can make enchiladas and everything else. So you don't think you have to make tacos when you buy a taco kit. You can really do other things. You can even crunch up the chips and do taco salad or something like that. Just to keep it, you know, what are you going to do with 3 boxes of taco shells? Just to give you a little idea. And the last deal here was just on the sodas. They are 88 cents when you buy 10, so $8.80. My husband is stocked up for probably 3 months. I'm hoping he doesn't go through that quicker than that, but we'll see. So that is it that I have for Giant this week. Nothing super amazing, but if any of these products are things that you use, definitely good savings. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.